this prize money that has been announced. However, it was yesterday when Team in Blue, and we are talking about the cricket team, that is another one when it comes to the other players who are in Zimbabwe. When they lost the match, the first T20 international in Harare as part of the 5-match series, and none of, however, when it comes to the World Cup heroes were in action, but it was the young brigade that was led by Shubman Gill, however, couldn't live up to the expectations. But while winning and losing is a part of the game, Sagrika, what does Congress MP Shashi Tharoor say?
Okay, so you know the first comment that was made by Shashi Tharoor that sparked an outrage, where he said this, and we just read that out. While the echoes of the wild celebrations at Mumbai for India's T20 World Cup win have not died down, we have been beaten by Zimbabwe today in Harare. It's just what the BCCI deserve for taking things for granted. So basically you're talking about India losing a match, and then you go on to make a comment by saying that this is what the BCCI deserve. Then he goes on to say whether on June 4th or July 6th. So everybody knows, why do you make an insinuation of June 4th, or why do you draw a parallel with June 4th? A direct link to the results of the 2024 elections. And he says that arrogance has been brought down a notch. Well played, Zimbabwe. Now, after that, there was another comment made by Shashi Tharoor on social media platform X, where he says, if a team is called India, it needs to be worthy of the label. This was at best India A. If Sky, Pant, Hardik, Kuldeep, Siraj, Bumrah and Arshdeep plus Sanju, Jaiswal, Chahal, Dubey were all unavailable this week, the tour should have been postponed. At least half of them should have been there to justify the international status given to these matches. This is what I mean by BCCI taking success arrogantly for granted. My disappointment is not because we lost, but because we did not even show that much of self-respect. And there are many today, especially the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is accusing Congress MP Shashi Tharoor of disrespecting the team and celebrating India's defeat. Over to you, Amita.
All right, Sagrika, thank you for that. That has been when it comes to Shashi Tharoor, how he has been reacting to India's loss. But how is the BJP now reacting to Shashi Tharoor's comments? Let's listen in.
एक शर्मनाक बात सामने आई है। कल भारत की T20 की टीम जिम्बाब्वे के सामने मैच हार गई। वो हमारी बेस्ट टीम थी नहीं, मेन टीम थी नहीं, पर भारत के हारने पर कांग्रेस ही सेलिब्रेट करने लगे, कहने लगे कि देखो ये तुम्हारा अहंकार खत्म हुआ। मतलब कि भारत हारे इसकी कामना आप करते हैं। मोदी विरोध में या बीजेपी विरोध में आप भारत की उपलब्धियों को कम करना चाहते हैं, भारत को गाली देकर अपमान करना चाहते हैं। यही मानसिकता है, और अब भारत के खिलाड़ियों को भी नहीं बख्शा। अरे भाई, मोदी से या बीजेपी से लड़ते लड़ते भारत की टीम से लड़ना।
Well, that has been the response coming from the BJP side, saying that when it comes to opposing the BJP as a political party, why is that the Congress party is criticizing the men in blue who play for the entire nation? As such kind of comments, Arunil, that have been coming in from the Congress MP over the loss that India had to face, when it comes to being in Harare. What's the point as far as it is going to be the same team who will play for India once again, who will represent the country once again?
Well, speaking about Shashi Tharoor, yes, he is a cricket fan. He has attended. He basically has been seen in attending test matches in England and other parts of the world as well. But speaking about this statement particularly, now the Australian side, which had defeated India around 6 months back. After that also, immediately there was a series between India and Australia. It was a T20 series. Half of the victorious Australian side had left for their home, and the new players were given a chance. In yesterday's match as well, there were 3 players who were making debut. One was Riyan Parag, one was Abhishek Sharma, and other was Dhruv Jurel. All these players have shown in the IPL and the domestic circuit. If these players don't get a chance at the international level, at least against relatively weaker teams like the Zimbabwe, then how India's bench strength is going to improve? That is a pertinent question that comes to the fore. And many top teams have basically followed this method in the past as well. Now, coming to the Team India players who were victorious, they just played the IPL before that. Before that, there was the grueling India Test series as well. So obviously, these players were tired, and giving them a break made a sense. And the BJP basically is launching a political attack attack on Shashi Tharoor, basically saying that it seems like Shashi Tharoor is happy about India's loss and using it as an opportunity to attack the BCCI.
Right, and what if, when the same team, if they would have won the match, then, Arunil, would the reaction would have been completely different?
Well, certainly, yes. If the same team would have won the match, then India's players would have got more confidence. And it is very important. Shashi Tharoor making this statement immediately after this handsome World Cup victory, a long-awaited World Cup victory, is clearly absurd and not needed, one can say. The reason for that is the Indian team has just returned victorious from Barbados. We have seen how they were stranded inside.
Right, so as far as this 5-match series are concerned, 4 more matches to go, and of course India can definitely record another victory if our heroes are there or not. This is another team that we are looking at as they are getting this chance to play on an international platform.